Alright, what's up guys? So in this video we'll be talking about this week. It is my first time talking to you guys like that, not in a recap way. So if it's weird, just bear with me, it's the first time, like I said. So today we'll just be speaking about this week and how my life technically just changed for the better. Here, I'll post a screenshot on the screen. I only had $100 left, guys, in my bank account. As you guys know, I don't have a job. I do this full time, the day trading stuff. And I was down to my last $100. And somehow this week, bang, I'm up 16K in payout already in my bank account. So I'll just be talking raw with you guys today about how I feel, I guess, and all that stuff. Like I said, thank God, as always, super grateful to be in this position. But do I deserve it? Yes. I've been putting in the work, the sleepless nights of me just grinding on the chart, FX replay, doing everything that I can, backtesting years and years of data on my strategy, having discipline on the chart and outside the chart in real life. For example, going daily to the gym, going on walks, eating good food, not junk food, and just been sitting at home doing nothing but just studying, you know. But it's all rewarding at the end of the day. People dream about having 10K month. I've done 16 in a week. Like I said, not in a bad way. I'm not saying this in a bad way. I'm just talking, right, guys? Honestly, I'm no different. If you guys have been watching the videos, I've been crashing out, over trading, over leveraging, over risking, same thing, taking dumb stuff. If I miss the optimal trade, take another trade. But when I started this challenge, day 1 to day X, which is once I hit 20K in payout, which we are 75% done, I told you guys, I will be disciplined from day 1 to day X. And since then, I am just seeing consistency, honestly. Now, I'm not saying 16K is a lot. It is a lot. It's not life-changing, but I can de-stress. I can finally go out, enjoy myself, go buy some nice clothes, some nice food, right? Without stressing. Here's the bill, all right, bang, you know? Right now, I'm just outside. I was on a walk, actually, breathing some nice air. To be honest, it's just crazy to think about how life can change so fast, you know? Like like an evil snowball. All right, sorry guys. It's just, if you guys get it, get it. Evil snowball. All right. Honestly, if you guys are struggling, I'm just a regular guy. Put in the work. Stop taking dumbass decision. Lock in. That's your trade. That's your trade. You can only risk 250. Risk only 250. If you don't even have data about your model, your strategy, then I don't know what you're doing, right? Anyway, I don't want to yap too much because I want to keep this video unedited. Anyway, you guys get it? Here, I'll post the payouts. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'll be requesting tonight, so you guys will see it in Monday's video. But yeah, guys, it's just crazy. I just had to go outside and do a video. I don't know. If you guys wanted the recap for today, I posted a short, go check it out, but I entered I think at 9:47 or something in a long on the 1 minute fair value gap. I think. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed, subscribe, like, comment. I'm just grateful. Hopefully we keep doing good, and soon, you know, we can go on vacation, have a nice car, have my own place, start actually making some good content. Because one of my goals is to get, known, so I'm working towards that. And yeah, I'm gonna go buy a camera too, then I tell you guys. It's called Osmo Pocket 3. I checked, it's very good for vlogging, so I'm thinking about going on a trip somewhere soon, so I'll buy that and see how it goes. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Just lock in, guys, lock in. 1 week, in just 1 week my life changed. Like I said, not in a big way, but in a way that I don't really have to worry about stressing too much. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys enjoy this type of raw interaction, not recap. And yeah, I'll see you guys Monday.